Hello there, welcome back to Math Jamboree. Let's solve this question together. If x is a solution to the given equation and x is greater than 0, what is the value of x? We're given one expression, it's a square root with the fourth degree square root. 8x over 3 is equal to x over 24. To find the value of x, we will take the fourth power of each side of the equation, and this will cancel this out. It's going to be normally its absolute value of 8x over 3 on the left side, because if you take a even number exponent of an even degree of an square root, it's gonna be always absolute value. On the right side, we will have x to the power of 4 over 24 to the power of 4. Since they indicated that x is greater than or equal to 0, I'm going to solve this absolute value equation for its positive value. So we will say that let that 8x over 3 will be positive, and x to the power of 4 over 24 to the power of 4. In this case, we will do cross multiplication. We will multiply 8x by 24 to the power of 4 and 3 by x to the power of 4. If you will do that, let me show you. 3x to the power of 4 is equal to 8x to the 24 to the power of 4. We have x to the power of 4 means we have 4 x's on the left side. So we have 1 x on the right side. We can just go ahead and simplify both sides by x. This x will be out. Excuse me. On the left side, we will have 3 to the power of, let me write it clearly, x cubed. Oops, I said x cubed, but wrote 4. X cubed. On the right side, we have 8 times 24 means 8 times 3. So instead of 24, I will just write 8 to the power of 4 and 3 to the power of 4. And we will divide both sides by 3. We're trying to isolate the x. On the left side, we will have x cubed equals 8 times 8 to the power of 4 times 3 cubed. So now we will take third degree root of each sides. So left side we will have x. So I want you to imagine this x to 8 to the power of 4. You can do that as, let me show you over here. We have in the square root, there we have 8 times 8 to the power of 3. And one more 8 because of the 8 to the power of 4. And 3 cubed. So this 2 will come out of the square root in there. And 8 times 3 will be 24. But the rest, these 2 8s will stay in there. 8 times 8 is 64. And the degree is third degree. This is going to be the final answer for this specific question. It is a bit trickier, but if you will just follow the steps of the exponents and the square root, you can solve this question easily. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. See you next time. Bye-bye.